Hey guys, Cody with CJC, and why are we cutting up this perfectly good radius arm? We wanted to show you just what these arms are made of. So many times we've discussed the bushings, things like that, the greasability of a Carli arm, but we wanted to see what really, what one of these factory arms is made of, and we pretty much learned that it's one big black hole. These arms are a stamped and welded construction, super common on any factory suspension part. They're actually made of a decently thick material. We've honestly never even seen a factory arm break on a customer truck, our personal trucks that we've jumped. So we really wanted to just see what the difference was. We chopped this one up. We learned that it's pretty decent, it's strong. Again, we've never had them break, but what the factory makes doesn't mean that it can't be expanded upon and get something even better. So enter the Carli radius arm. Carli has a huge video about how these arms are constructed, the welding, things like that. If you really are interested in the internals of these arms, that video is excellent. However, I just wanted to make a quick informational video. These arms, again, the joint, we talk about the joint, but we never really show it to you guys. This joint right here is the factory joint that we talk so poorly of. This joint gets bolted into your truck by the factory. This locks into your factory radius arm bracket. This joint is pressed into your factory radius arm, and therefore it cannot move. Every time your suspension moves up and down, this joint physically has to twist. So whether it's driving off of a curb, a speed bump at the store, anything like that, God forbid anything off-road, this joint has to twist a ton. This is also not greasable and all the other issues that go along with that, factory joints rusting to the bolts, all those other issues, that can be 110% mitigated by the Carli radius arm. Now the Carli radius arm uses a custom-built Carli joint, so they use the overall design from the Johnny joint, but they implement their own basically touch to the joint. It has a stainless ball, their own safety washers, a lot of Carli's own unique design characteristics, some of the flair that they bring to the market, they build into even this joint. It is not an off-the-shelf joint. This joint cannot rust. It is fully greasable, fully rebuildable, and it's also preloaded, so you're gonna get thousands upon thousands of miles of wear before you'll ever really need to rebuild these things. The construction of these arms is insane. Literal weight difference between these arms is huge. The internal bracing on these arms is next level. If you watch Carli Suspension's video, they talk about all of the bracing and welding that goes on the inside of these arms that we'll never even see. It's quite remarkable, actually. The arms also all include a limit strap tab. While not something required for those of you doing any spirited off-road driving, things like that, that will help preserve your shock, so we always recommend using those. It uses the factory cam adjuster, so the alignment goes within all of the factory specs that we're used to. And yeah, it is just an excellent option. The factory ones, they will not break. They're not gonna fall off your truck. We all know that. However, these upgraded arms are definitely an upgrade, and if you are dropping some coin on your brand new truck, I highly suggest looking into the radius arm upgrade, just in order to put that final cherry on top for that excellent package that you're looking at building. For all the guys that are also in unique environments such as like heavy snow, heavy mud, things like that, the factory arm is also a completely open design. As I just showed you, you can see end to end if you were to lop off this bushing. It is 110% open, something I think they're even trying to address on the 2019 and newer trucks by the holes they've cut in. They can really pack up with mud, salt, corrosion, things like that. The Carli arm is completely sealed, it is welded end to end, and this will really help with guys in corrosive environments not to have issues down the line with your factory arms corroding, packing up with mud, and carrying just weird things around with you as you drive around. So yeah, our business model has definitely always been to not sell you stuff you do not need. However, these arms, again, are an excellent addition for guys looking at a premium suspension system. There's just one more option to make the truck that much nicer. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how much these cost or even purchasing, click the link right here and we'll be happy to help you out, as well as ship these for free and all the usual good stuff. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more.